Let me first start by placing these eggs in the proper place first. They have just been brought from the store and I need to place them in the fridge first. There is still some space left here, so I thought I'm going to do a DIY with this egg rack itself. I'll cut this portion and I can store 6 more eggs in here. So, and I have a plastic rack, you can say. It holds 12 eggs. So I'll keep 12 in there and 6 in this, and the remaining in the holder that is given along with the fridge. Okay, all the eggs have been placed now. A few can just be adjusted here and there. Now I'm going to show you something which is going to be very helpful to you. Hello friends, welcome to our channel Plants, Crochet, Cooking and more. Eggs are flooded with protein and vitamins, and it can be cooked in so many different ways. But we all face the problem of boiling eggs, It cracks while boiling. Well, today I'm going to show you a simple way to avoid this mistake. Before you start off, you just heat some water in a pot. Do not boil it. Meanwhile, if the eggs are in the fridge, you take them out and start washing the shells properly. If you have done that earlier, before putting it into the fridge, then you keep it aside for some time, or you can just wash it with plain water once again. Now I have started to warm some water. Can you see it has not started boiling? Just lukewarm, you can say. You can just put your finger into it. If you don't have a thermometer, you can just put your finger into it. You will be able to touch the water. That is the temperature you want. Now, very carefully, you put the eggs into this warm water. Some of them add salt into this water. I have sometimes added salt, I have sometimes not added salt. In both the cases, it is fine for me. After you have added the eggs into it, just let it simmer in this water. You can just increase the flame to a medium but not high. Low to medium flame. It will start to bubble and boil gradually. You can do this for up to 7 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. And the water should at least cover the eggs. After about 7 minutes, you cover it and let it stay till it cools down. You let it stay in this position till it cools completely. When it has completely cooled down, you remove the eggs from the water and start to shell it. The shells will come out very easily. None of the eggs have cracked. This is a very, very simple method of boiling eggs. You can do it this way. You will see that none of the eggs are going to crack while boiling. Or you can even boil a few eggs and keep it in the refrigerator. For those evening times when your children are really feeling hungry and it is not yet time for dinner, they can just have a boiled egg. That is perfect for the body. It is a healthy option as well. So you can store a few boiled eggs in the fridge. It stays for about 2 days or so. I keep a few in the fridge, always handy. Now go ahead and make whatever you want. Boiled egg, scrambled egg, deviled egg, Benedict egg, sunny side up, so many variety of egg dishes. This is the hard-boiled egg. You can use it to make your yummy egg sandwiches. Or you can just slice it into half and just sprinkle salt and pepper and relish this hard-boiled egg. Everything is divine. I have made an egg sandwich for my daughter and hope you found this video to be informative. Please do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for all notifications. Thank you for staying till the end. Bye bye.